everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be unboxing something. I'm very excited about it. So one thing about this video is going to be up super late because I filmed it super late because I've kind of gotten back into doing like the YouTube filming stuff, which I'm very happy about. I have been wanting to do this, but I got my July Boxycharm in the mail like at the beginning of July, and I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys, but I threw away the little card that comes with it. I don't know how that happened. I looked at it, opened it up, and I was like, oh my god, dope. And then I threw away the card. So I'm gonna have to maybe look up how much these things are online, like the retail price. But we are gonna go through this Boxycharm today. And yeah, if you want to see what I did receive in my July Boxycharm, then keep on watching. I don't really know what this was in that last clip, but we're just gonna go with it. Now, I do want to go ahead and let you guys know, obviously I have seen what is in here. I'm very aware. It's not like I haven't seen it. I have seen it. But if you do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 subscription, like beauty subscription every month. So you pay 21 bucks a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty items. But they do have a lot of skincare in there as well. They're trying to like implement some other things, so it's a really great. I love Boxycharm and I've loved them for quite some time. But we are gonna jump in. I do have something to say about this particular box. I don't know what happened with mine. I don't know, but I do have some things to spill about this box, so let's jump in. So when you open this up here, here's the front, and as you see, there's normally a little card, but I don't have that. So we're just gonna go ahead and just pick through what I do see. Now, the first thing I see here on top is this Kojin Do cleansing spa water facial cleansers. So here's what they look like right here. These are just basic face wipes. Really cool. I do love a good face wipe. I'm not gonna lie. I'm out of my Clinique take the day off face wipes. I need to get some more of those. So I will try these. I haven't tried them yet. I will try them and see what I think. So yeah, that is the very first thing in the box. I need to look up how much this is. So be right back. Okay. That was really weird. So I got the price for one pack. It contains 10 cloths per pack. This seems like it may have a bit more than that. I don't know, because it feels kind of thicker. Maybe, oh, 10 cloths. Just kidding. It says it right on the back there. But it is $17 retail price. And before I forget, I'm going to start a calculator just so I can have it going. Next up in the box here, I'm actually super excited about this. One thing you may not know about me, I love masks, like sheet masks, face masks, almost said fate masks, like clay masks, charcoal masks, anything like that. I love them. I don't know why. I think it's because they're very goopy and it's just like playing with slime. So I don't know, but this is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. I was gonna continue talking, but the rest of it is, I believe, in French. Now, this does look super duper nice. I have used things from Elemis before, and I do believe like in one of the Boxy Luxe boxes, we got the Elemis Marine Cream, which I have been using, and I do like that a lot. I've used it for a while. From my knowledge, Elemis is a pretty pricey brand, so we're gonna see. So let me go ahead and look up the price for you. I'm actually gonna do it. I don't know if this is 75 milliliters or 2.5 fluid ounces. I don't know if this size is specific to Boxycharm or if it just comes like this. Is Elemis not on Sephora? Maybe it's not. Let me try Ulta, because I feel like I've seen Elemis on Ulta's website. Here it is. Alrighty, this is the 2.5 ounces, so the same as this. So this is not special to Boxycharm. It is $35. Now, I will say I have already used this. Like I said before, I got my box at the beginning of June. I'm filming this, not June, July, and I'm filming this at the end of July, so I have already used this. I enjoyed it just fine. I did a Instagram video and I used this on my skin, and I liked it. I thought it was really nice. So there is that. And the next thing in the box here, we do have some brushes. Now, I will say one thing. Luxie brushes, I feel like, are always in Boxycharms or in other subscription boxes. I mean, I only really get Boxycharm right now as a subscription box. I don't have like Ipsy or anything like that as of right now, so I don't know if these are in there, but I do watch a lot of unboxing videos because I'm a... Oh, I almost said a bad word. I really enjoy unboxings. I don't know why, I don't know what it is. But here, I can't believe I just almost said that. Anyways, if you don't know, if you don't know what I was about to say, then just never mind. So these are the Luxie Gaia brushes. It says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. I will absolutely do that. And this contains 3 brushes. Here's what the packaging looks like. It is really cute packaging, not gonna lie. It seems very minimalistic. Not wooden, but like kind of like cardboardish, something. Cardboard-ish. Something that can be recycled very easily, so that's great. And it says the brushes include the Luxie 250 large blending. Nope, that's not what it says. 250 large eye blending, the 246 precision crease, and the 510 foundation. Now I will say that I really love the handle on these. I think they're really cute. It's like this pink wooden kind of color. I think this is adorable, and 2 out of these 3 brushes I will 100% use. I will definitely use this one and this one. They seem really nice. Now this one, just for me personally, I don't think that I'll get too much use out of this unless I start like doing cut creases a lot more, which I just don't. But if I start doing cut creases or start doing something that warrants a small brush like this, then I'll definitely give it a shot. But these 2 I really like. I will definitely use this one for not foundation, but for masks. I can use this mask with this brush and apply it with this brush, no problem, and I would do that in a heartbeat. I have one of those like silicone like applicators. I almost said appliers, I don't know why, but I could use this one as well. And if you want to use this for foundation, then I think that would be just fine too. And then this one does seem like a really nice, like fluffy shader brush. It is really big and fluffy, so I definitely want to give this one a shot. And the brush set does retail for 30 doll hairs, so it's 30 bucks. I mean, that's not like super cheap, but it's good. Next thing up in the box, we have this Tarte shimmering lip paint, and this is in the shade Strike Gold. And I will say I was a tiny bit disappointed when I saw this in the box, because I have gotten things from Tarte before. Like we've had like their lip glosses, their other lip paints, like the regular ones. I know this one is like the shimmering lip paint, but like we've seen stuff like this before. And in the box they also had new stuff from Alamar, and they had stuff from Appeal, and I love Alamar Cosmetics. I think that they're really good. I haven't used the Luna by Luna stuff, and they had 2 things from Alamar, like the lip glosses and the liquid lipsticks, and I just like, I don't know. I know a lot of people were getting the other stuff, and maybe I'm just being nitpicky with this, and it's not Boxycharm's fault. They just kind of like, you know, I'm sure they kind of divvy it out between everybody so people don't get the same things. But I don't know, I feel like there's a lot of, maybe I'm just salty because I just wanted something different. I don't know. And ooh, it actually is very pretty looking at it again. I didn't notice when I first opened this, I didn't have like this big ring light going on and like all these lights pointing at me, so I just opened it, breathe, and just like regular lighting, and I didn't notice that it has these really pretty like reflective pink shimmers. You're not going to be able to see that, but it really does look like that in person. It does look really cute. I do like it. Yeah, can you see those like purple nope, you can't. Trust me, there's purple and like blue shimmers in it. It actually is really pretty, and I will use this. Maybe can I put it on right now, or Let's try. Oh, that's nice. I like it. The Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint does retail for $20. Wow, I didn't know that. And then last but certainly not least, in the box we have this palette from Butter London. Now this packaging, let me tell you right now, is the cutest darn thing that I've ever seen. Look, it's like wooden and it's got little flowers on it. Very adorable. I'm obsessed with this packaging. And then here are the shades inside. It is called the Natural Goddess palette. I do think it's pretty. There are some shades in here that I would probably never use, like this star shade. Maybe I would, you know, if I was feeling a bit, you know, adventurous, then maybe I would use it, but I don't really ever use green. One thing that I'm immediately seeing in this palette that I wish that there was, I wish there was a transition brown. There's not one. I don't know why it took me so long to say brown, but if you can see, there's no lighter transition shade to go in the crease, so you would have to go into another palette to get a transition color, but I think that the rest of these colors are quite pretty. Let me actually see if I can swatch. Ooh, these shimmers are very soft, very nice and shiny. Oh, that's actually really nice. Not bad at all. Yeah, these shimmers are super nice. I feel like they would blend just fine on the lid. Or not blend, but you know, like packed on. I think they would be very pretty. But that's up to you if you want to go into another palette to get a transition shade and then have to come back into this one to use this dark shade. I don't know. I don't know about that, but the concept is really cute and the palette packaging is adorable. And that Natural Goddess palette does retail for $32. So yeah, 32 bucks, and I just realized that I have forgotten to add everything else together, so I'm gonna have to start over. So we've got the cleansing water cloths, that is $17, and then the Elemis mask, that is $35. Then the brushes, and those were 30 bucks, yep. Plus the lip gloss, that was 20, I remember that. And the palette, I think that was it. Yeah, so the palette was 32. So all together, my box did come up to $134. Super not bad because you are paying 21 bucks for the box, so I don't think that is a bad deal. I will say though, I do wish that sometimes, I've been noticing this more and more, that with each box you get, even with the new Boxyluxe coming in September, you know, you have the options now to like customize it and do what you want. I got the option to customize that box with something that I already got in a previous box. So I think in like the first Boxyluxe, they gave you the option to do a, or not the option, but they sent you the Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzing palette, and then I got asked again if I want to request that in my next Boxycharm, and I'm like, no, because I already have it. But I do think why they would do this, maybe for people that didn't get that first box, they still want them to have the opportunity to get that palette if they wanted it. So I do get it, but I do feel like we are getting a few more things we've seen in the past, you know, things we've seen before, things that are not like super, oh my god, new, but they're still good. I still really enjoy it. I like the box. I think it's really good. I think it's a freaking bang for your buck. Like, I just spat. I think it's a really good bang for your buck. But yeah, you guys, that is... I just choked on my own spit. Anyways, that is the end of the video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!